Okay, so exercises done, and now I am heading up to get my sister, and we are going to Lagoon, the amusement park. Sorry, just double checking. Heading up to Lagoon. I know I will walk a minimum of 3 miles, if not more, while in the parks today. So I took yesterday off from walking, but as you saw, I did my exercises. I stuck to my nutrition plan, and there was even ice cream sandwiches that my in-laws brought over because they came over. I didn't have them, so just another win. So excited. And for today, with the food and everything being at an amusement park, there's not a lot of keto-friendly options. So I went ahead and packed a cooler with some ice packs and with a salad and 2 Greek yogurts. So, and after having a good breakfast, I think I will be in pretty good shape. What did I have for breakfast? 2 low-carb, keto-friendly quesadillas. Did you know that there are low-carb, keto-friendly tortillas? Yeah, and they're not even that expensive, like for what they are, even just for tortillas in general. Yeah, so I had that for breakfast, and we're gonna go do this. Get a lot of good exercise. I am a little nervous because it will be a significant amount of walking. And so tomorrow, when I will be dumpster diving and all of that, I think as far as tomorrow's exercise, I'll do my regular ones, which we're really coming along. We are making progress on those. The push-ups, my arms are feeling good. It's just my tummy that still hurts pretty bad. Those core muscles really need some work. Tomorrow I am going to start adding in leg lifts because I do feel ready to do that, so why not? And start building those lower ab muscles that really seem to need it. But the crunches, we just busted through those, so that was fantastic. Progress is happening. It's only day 5. But as far as walking, I will walk, but I'm not going to push it. It'll be a nice, slow, leisurely kind of recovery walk. And then Monday, we'll get back to, kind of pushing it. We are today 18 days away from Disney World. But now, for a little taste of theme park happiness and Halloween, I'm on my way. Okay, so just a super quick update about today's progress and everything. I did do my exercises this morning, and even here at the amusement park, I have stuck to my keto. I packed my food, and I did not give in to the temptation of the churros and the ice creams and all that goodness. Success is happening. We'll see you all tomorrow.